So welcome back everyone, Triple M here, and today we're going over secret codes that you can put into your Netflix that brings out a lot of categories that you might not be aware of. So this video shouldn't be too long. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell, let's go. So before I jump into it, I did a video about this the last year, and a couple of the questions I received, main one is, why do we need to use these codes where we can simply search what we want and that should pop up? So the codes are a way to kind of get Netflix to unlock everything within a certain category. Sometimes when you search, you don't get everything populated that's out there. And also, for a lot of people, what they see on their Netflix homepage are often recommendations. So based on what you recently watched, what Netflix think you might be into, what's trending, and so on and so forth. So using these codes, you'll see a lot more in each category, and there's hundreds of codes out there. This works on your PC, your Fire Stick, your Nvidia Shield TV, whatever streaming device you have. All you have to do is punch these codes in, and you should be able to unlock a lot of content. So let's go ahead and we'll give it a shot. So the first one, action comedies. So the code for action comedies is 43040. All right, so as you can see, a lot of comedy, a lot of action comedies, really useful. But the good thing about this is that when you scroll down, you can see there are dozens and dozens of action comedy. And if you weren't sure about what you want to watch, but you have an idea of the different category that you might want to watch, then this would be a great option. So still scrolling, you can see it goes all the way down to the bottom. Let's try something else. All right, so let's try martial arts movies. The code for that one is 8985. All right, so you can see a bunch of action karate movies. Definitely something I'll be checking out later. But again, just hundreds and hundreds of titles. Let's scroll down and do some more. So those are some of the main categories. Another one is country western. So let's try that, 7700. All right, so a bunch of western related movies, country western movies. And let's scroll down to animation. Animation is a big one, so maybe you just want to give something for the kids. 11881. All right, so a lot of animation there. Some anime. And if you're someone who's into anime, the code for the main category of anime is 7424. So when you put that in, you'll see the different types of anime in one view. However, if you want to dig down maybe a little bit deeper into anime, maybe you want to see the action anime, the code for that one is 2653. Or maybe you want to see anime horror, the code for that one is 10695. All right, so you can see the more dark side of anime there. There's a main children's section, and the code for that one is pretty simple, 783. All right, so again, put that in there. Let the kids pick what they want to watch. You should be good to go, except for this one. That looks kind of scary. But for the most part, this is going to be a children area. There's codes for classics. So you have classic dramas. Let's give that one a shot. 29809. All right, so you can see a bunch of them there. We have a comedy section. Code for comedy is 6548. All right. Let's scroll down some more. Documentaries, so for you docu-series guys, 6839. All right, so all documentaries there. There's different codes for drama. There's codes for horror, 8711 for horror. All right, so it's also a music section. Let's see what's in there. So the main code for music is 1701. All right, so you can see we have some music, documentaries, music performances, and so on and so forth. Within music, again, there is a different breakdown. So maybe you want country. Code for country and western folks is going to be 1105. They have pop concerts, musicals, Latin music, urban and dance, world concerts. And that's just a couple of them. You have a romance section, you have a sci-fi, sports. Let's give that one a shot. This code for sports is 4370. And again, within sports, there's different subcategories. So you have basketball movies, you have boxing, martial arts, soccer, sports and fitness as well. So they do have movies for different regions as well. So if you're into British movies, 10757, you can see a lot of them pop up there. But they have different regions, countries as well. They have Dutch, Eastern European movies, foreign comedies, foreign dramas, foreign thrillers, German, Indian, Italian, New Zealand, so bunch, and they have a little bit for everyone. So one thing I want to mention, I am going to drop the list in the description so you guys can check out the full list. That way you can find what you're looking for. But if you're in the US, this list should work for you. However, I cannot guarantee that this will work if you're outside of the US unless you're using a VPN. So let me know in the comment section where you're from, if this list works. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're looking for a VPN service, I have my 2 recommended VPN services listed in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.